How to create tweet variations using TweetBoostPRO and WordPress. This is Hudson Atwell representing TweetBoostPRO plugin, and in this article series we're going to show you how we add tweets to the content we're creating in WordPress right directly in the same area that we edit the content itself, so we never have to leave. It's one of the great designs of the TweetBoostPRO plugin set. So in the content area, edit area, we go down to our TweetBoostPRO tweet schedule, where we can add tweets, and we can see to the right a calendar that shows the tweets that are already scheduled. Now we want to only show tweets related to one account, so let's deselect that and go ahead and show you the tweets that are scheduled. You see that there are 3 dark green squares. That means that on 3 days during the month of November and 2 days during the month of December, we have tweets scheduled. So when we create tweets, we're going to want to schedule them somewhere else. For this tutorial, I'm going to pick the 9th because we have an extra day available right there. Let's go ahead and get started. We select our account, and then we begin creating our content. And it's going to take me a little while to write the content right here, but it goes something like this. Are you sending content to tweets? Or excuse me, are you sending content tweets to Twitter one time only? Here in this article, we make a case for increasing this number. Now, I will type all that out, and then after it's all typed out, we're going to want to add a token that will add a link back to this content article. That token looks something like squiggly bracket post dash link squiggly bracket. And then after that, we're going to want to set up our hashtags. You can see here right now I'm adding in the post link token and then our hashtags. And this is my first variation. The next thing I'm going to want to do is select a date and time to publish this tweet in. You can see I select November 9th at 11 a.m. I'm on Central Standard Time, so this is during most of the West workday. Next is to create another tweet, and I'm probably going to end up creating about 4 tweets for this article, and I'll create more at a way later date, but 4 for now will cover 4 months for me if I'm only tweeting once a month. Okay, this one reads, a quick look at how and why we schedule multiple tweets for every piece of content we create, and why, as a business, you should be doing it too. Let's give myself a second to finish typing that out. Next comes our post link token. So our tweets link back to our content. We just press the button. And then we want to add our hashtags. And in this tweet, I'm going to add completely different hashtags. You can see I choose insight marketing, social automation, and marketing automation. I know for a fact that there are a handful of accounts out there that will automatically retweet this tweet if it contains the hashtag marketing automation. That's nice to know that you'll get retweets just for using a hashtag, and other people will view it. Next, we add our date. We go to December next, and then we want to add a third tweet, and we're getting close to our final tweet. We're only going to do 4 for this video, and this third tweet is going to be something like, in this most excellent tutorial, we list the reasons we believe you should use our Twitter scheduling plugin for WordPress. We would be totally honored if you check it out, man. And that's just me reading it. It'll make more sense as you see me type it right here. And you can see that we use an image of Bill and Ted. Not everybody has seen the movie, but it's a very heartwarming movie if you want to go check it out. We watched it about a month ago at home. It was great. Okay, here comes the next call to action, and then comes the post link directly after that. Oh, looks like I'm adding something special here. Oh, if you've seen the movie, you know what that means. Now here comes the post link. And finally, we want to add our hashtags. WP Chat is a great hashtag to talk to other WordPress users on Twitter. It's also a forum where you can go and create threads and topics, but besides being a forum, it's also a general use WordPress hashtag. Next, we're going to want to decide where we put this. We're entering into 2019 at this point. And you can see in the second tweet I added 11 p.m. instead of 11 a.m. This time I'm going to post at 3 a.m. Now we're on to the final post of this video. Excuse me, the final tweet of this video demonstration. And this tweet goes a little something like this. Ever heard of Content Mario? Definitely a thing we made up, used to illustrate how only publishing content once to Twitter might be a strategic mistake for your company. Give our article, Why to Create and Schedule Tweet Variations, a read to find out what we're talking about. Now, I think maybe what I type in this video comes out a little bit different, but you get the point. We have 4 different variations basically saying the same message, soliciting people to come read our content because our content's great and we want them to read it. And just like the other 3 tweets, the next thing that I'll do when crafting this tweet is to add my hashtags and add my post link. And set the correct account. And then set the publishing date. This time we're going for PM instead of AM. And then I'm going to add another image, and it will upload it when these tweets are published to Twitter. It's going to be an animation that shows Mario jumping out of quicksand, which if you read the article, it'll make a lot of sense. And that completes the demonstration of how we add tweets from the content edit screen while using TweetBoostPRO. And if you have TweetBoostPRO, you can do this too. We recommend doing this with all your power content. You might have 20 articles on your small business website that are the most important funnels for generating conversions and sales. Those are the articles that you're going to want to encourage social media readers to visit. And because of the syncing timeline nature of social media, you're going to want to use variations to generate repeat exposures. If you haven't read the article that this video is related to, I recommend you go down to the description of the video, click and read the article. If you have and you're within the article watching this video, I'd like to thank you for your time and consideration in this product. Tell everybody you know about it, share it on your social media, and implement this strategy on your personal and professional Twitter accounts. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to the future.
Be excellent to each other.